Hi, this is the video to give you a high-level understanding of how the full markup central kitchen module works. And this is the login that once you log in, you see the interface. This is a dashboard that contains all the sales and purchase in high level. And you can see that you will separate out your top 10 supplier, your purchase item, purchase values, and even your sales. Everything's automated right here. You can do the filter for the data that you want to see right here. So you even can show to few months ago all the data. Okay, so here contains the region purchase, region sales to give you a quick look at what's happening for your central kitchen transactions. The variants right here are mainly designed for the quantity or the pricing that difference when you receive from supplier. Okay, so example, let's say you buy things in 10 kg, but supplier deliver to you in 15. The variant will show right here. And this is the sales variance data, which means that maybe your outlet order 10, let's say your outlet 4, but your central kitchen can't produce to the outlet and it just gives 0. It will show right here. So the reason why we show the data right here is to allow you to see that there's a different things, something is not delivered, to let you have a better understanding of how the central kitchens work. This is a par level, so it's a safety on hand level you want to set so that it's allows you to see which item ingredient you want to order over this dashboard. Okay, so all the outlet order, they through the app or through the website, they place the order, it will automatically become the outstanding sales order for the central kitchen right here. Okay, so you see there's a small tick like this. Okay, it means that the order has been seen. So example, this one you don't tick yet. If you open it up, it will have to tick right here. So you know that this order has been seen by the central kitchen and they should process that. So how you process, you click update, and here contains the delivered quantity that you can deliver to the outlet. Alright, and right here you can click here, it will show all the order history of this outlet. It lets you have a very quick understanding what's happening to this outlet, what the same item did the outlet keep repeating the order for a lot, and you can find out the reasons right here. And you can key in the temperatures, that's for the HACCP system control. So once you have done it, you just click the packing. Okay, so here we'll confirm it and just click confirm. Then you can print out the DO from the systems right here, and definitely you also can generate invoice for all the order. You have the optional whether you want to generate invoice or not through this system. All the invoice can be exported out to the different accounting format for you to import to accounting. Okay, so we also support import of the sales order if you have the external online ordering system that you want to import to your central kitchen. We support that system too. Okay, so here's productions. Definitely for the central kitchen, you have the production that you will provide your marinated chickens, your chicken wings, and all this stuff. Okay, this is, you have your item, you put in your recipe, and we support a very complete recipe design for F&B. So we have something right here called yield. So it's designed to allow you to key in the cooking wastage. Okay, example, let's say you have you buy things in capsicums, that's 1 kg for 10 ringgit, and if the recipe requires 4 kg, so the cost actually is not 40 ringgit because there's a wastage over. Let's say you put 10%, the actual cost is 44 ringgit. Okay, so this is a percentage overhead. So why we need this? We don't expect to key in full recipe right here. If you can do it, that's good, but if you can't, that's fine. Okay, you put in the high value items right here. The rest you can put in overhead by using percentage of fixed value so that the cost will be closer to the real. And this we support the batch recipe. So either you want to design a recipe for per portion or for 100 packs, you can use this design right here. So you can see the proportion weight. So you can, if you key in the total is 10 and the proportion is 1, it means that this is a recipe for 10 packs. Okay, so all the recipe can be updated live. Like we calculate COGS and you click the latest purchase price, and it will recalculate with the latest cost for you. So definitely, if you want to know the outstanding and you want to make things simple, let's say I want to click all these and choose previous month. Okay, by check generate work order, it will automated telling me what's the order quantity and what's the outstanding I have and what's the planning quantity that I need to always to fulfill it. And definitely you have the central kitchen machine right here. It's contain all your product, your catalog, and you even can set up the pricing and the markup. Means that let's say you are buying things, example you're buying this old chili oil from a supplier, okay, and you want to you're actually selling these things through your outlet as well. And let's say you want to put in, let's say I'm selling this, and because I'm buying at the bulk cost, I'm selling the supply back to the outlet at 10% percentage. So then when the supplier pricing going up, the pricing you sell to the outlet will also automatically going up as well. And when it go down, it will also follow as well. This is how you can make so that your costing and your pricing will be automated update. And definitely the full stock management right here. And for the central kitchen, you can have your sales analysis, sales report, COGS report, your purchase report, purchase price history, analysis, a lot of document listing. The stock, we have a PAR report, variance, stock wastage. You can do stock transfers. So variance is a report, complicated, very powerful report for you to see the summary of the transaction for the whole month, so that you know how much you actually use versus how much you're supposed to use. So we tell you the variance, and this is the invisible wastage that you can capture using this report. All right, that's all for today.